Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll talk about Kamagra Oral Jelly 100 milligrams, a medicine used for erectile dysfunction, also known as ED. This oral jelly form is popular because it works faster than tablets and is easy to take. What is Kamagra Oral Jelly? Kamagra Oral Jelly contains sildenafil citrate 100 milligrams, the same active ingredient found in Viagra. It is manufactured by Ajanta Pharma and comes in different fruit flavors, making it more convenient for people who have difficulty swallowing pills. Uses: Kamagra Oral Jelly is used to treat erectile dysfunction, ED, improve blood flow to the penis, help achieve and maintain a firm erection during sexual activity. It works only with sexual stimulation. How it works: this medicine relaxes blood vessels and increases blood flow to the penile area. Because it is in jelly form, it gets absorbed faster, usually within 15 to 30 minutes. Dosage and how to take: take 1 sachet 100 milligrams about 30 minutes before sexual activity. Consume directly from the sachet, no water needed. Do not take more than 1 dose in 24 hours. Always consult a doctor before use. Side effects: common side effects may include headache, flushing, dizziness, nasal congestion, upset stomach. Serious but rare side effects: vision problems, chest pain, prolonged erection, more than 4 hours. Seek medical help immediately if severe side effects occur. Precautions and warnings: do not use if you take nitrate medicines, have serious heart problems, have uncontrolled blood pressure, are advised against sexual activity by a doctor. Avoid alcohol for better results. Who should not use it? Women, children, people allergic to sildenafil. Kamagra Oral Jelly is a fast-acting and easy-to-use option for erectile dysfunction, but it should always be used responsibly and under medical guidance. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, comment if you want more medicine reviews like this. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a licensed healthcare professional before using any medication.